How many English words do you know? 100, 500, maybe even 1000. But let me ask you a simple question. If you walk into a cafe right now, can you speak English confidently for just 1 minute? For many people, the answer is no. Not because they don't know English, but because they have learned words, not situation. They know grammar, they know vocabulary, but they don't know how English is actually used in real life. And that's exactly why I am starting a brand new series. Welcome to Real Life English. In this series, we are going to learn English through real situation that people experience every day. At a cafe, at a restaurant, with friends, at college, while traveling, and many other real life situations. Because the goal is not just to learn English, the goal is to use English confidently. So, if you are ready to improve your English naturally, let's begin. Today's situation, a relaxing visit to a cafe.
Imagine this. It's been a long and busy day. You've finished your classes, you've completed your work, and now all you want is a little peace and relaxation. So you decided to visit a cozy cafe. You walk through the door. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air. Soft music is playing in the background. People are quietly enjoying their drinks. You find a comfortable seat near the window. You take a deep breath and finally you start to relax. I finally have some time for myself. This cafe looks beautiful. The atmosphere feels warm and welcoming. I love the peaceful environment here. The aroma of fresh coffee is amazing. Everything feels calm and relaxing. Let me take a look at the menu. Oh, there are so many interesting options. I think I will order a cappuccino. That chocolate cake looks tempting. I'd like something sweet today. The staff seem very friendly. The service here is excellent. My order should be ready soon. While I wait, I will enjoy the atmosphere. This place is perfect for relaxing. It's also a great place to read or study. Oh, here comes my order. Wow, that's look fantastic. The presentation is beautiful. Let me take my first sip. The coffee taste is wonderful. It's rich, smooth, and flavorful. The temperature is just right. Now let me try the cake. It's soft, fresh, and delicious. The flavor is perfectly balanced. It's not too sweet, it's not too heavy. Everything tastes freshly made. I'm really enjoying the experience. This is exactly what I needed today. I feel relaxed and refreshed. Sometimes it's important to slow down and enjoy the little moment in life. This cafe has a very positive vibe. I could spend hours here. The quality of the food is impressive. Every bite is satisfying. Every sip feels refreshing. I'm glad I came here today. This experience has exceeded my expectation. I would definitely recommend this place to my friends. It's one of the nicest cafes I have visited recently. Oh, now it's almost time to leave. Thank you for the wonderful service. I had a great time here. I will definitely come back again.
Did you notice these useful words? Aroma, atmosphere, refreshing, balance, tempting, exceeded expectation. You will find their meaning and example sentences in the description box. Now repeat after me. The aroma of fresh coffee is amazing. The coffee taste is wonderful. I feel relaxed and refreshed. Every sip feels refreshing. I would definitely recommend this place. Excellent. Remember, fluent English isn't about speaking fast. Fluent English is about speaking naturally and confidently. Practice these sentences again later today. Okay? And in episode 2, we will visit a restaurant and learn how to order food confidently in English. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English. See you in the next video. Bye.